This is example 3, part B from section 2.1. So part B asks us to use our equation to decide whether the point 10, 7, negative 20 is on the plane P. So this is the equation that we got from part A for plane P. And what we're going to do is we're going to sub in this point here into this side of the equation and then see if everything works out. So let's just write that out. So the goal is to decide whether the left-hand side is equal to the right-hand side. Now to do that, what I'm going to do is to break this down into 3 equations, just as I did in part A. So our first equation is going to be the top line. So that's 10 is equal to 2 minus s minus t, or 8 is equal to negative s negative t. Second equation is 7 equals 4s plus t, and our third equation is negative 20 equals 1 plus s plus 2t. Now what we'll do now is we'll add equation 1 and equation 2 together. So here the t's cancel out, and we end up with 15 equals 3s, or in other words, 5 equals s. So now what we're going to do is we're going to take this value of s and sub it into our equation 1 and find a value for t. So we have equation 1, so that's 8 equals negative s minus t. Now we're going to sub in 5 here. So 8 equals negative 5 minus t, which gives us 13 equals negative t, or t equals negative 13. Now in order to show whether or not this point is in this plane, we're going to see if these two values, this value of t and this value of s, satisfy the third equation. So let's write our third equation down. So negative 20 equals 1 plus s plus 2t, or negative 21 equals s plus 2t. So let's sub in our values of s and t. We end up with negative 21 on both sides. So that tells us that the point 10, 7, negative 20 is on our plane P.